Hello friends, welcome. So in this lecture, I'll help you in analyzing the financial statements, that is your trial balance, your profit and loss account and the balance sheet. So for profit and loss account or trial balance or balance sheet, you can see over here in the gateway of Tally, you can see in the reports, your balance sheet, P&L account, and by displaying more reports, clicking there, you can see your trial balance as well. So in our theoretical lectures, I had told you about what's about all about the trial balance, the P&L and the balance sheet. So I'm showing you here in the Tally that how you can view and print your trial balance. Just click here on trial balance. Now press Alt F2 and change your period from 1st April till 31st March, your whole period, and press here Alt F1 for the detailed screen and the detailed entries. Now here in you can see over here that current liabilities are shown and the duties and taxes, sundry creditors, rent expense payable, salary expense payable are shown over here. So trial balance is basically a sheet where all the debit side and credit side amount must be equal, that you had done all the entries by affecting two accounts and you had created each and every entry correctly. So this is the proof that you had done all the entries correctly. And if you want to change the view, you can change it from here. Like you can see ledger wise, you can see monthly summary, you can see your cash flow summary as well, funds flow and the receipts and payments as well. As and when I select here receipts and payments, as sometimes it requires in the trial balance, in spite of trial balance, you need to furnish receipts and payments. So just select receipts and payments, click here Alt F1 and you can see here each and everything in front of you. All the receipts and payments entry will get displayed in front of you in spite of all the entries. Is this clear? So this is the trial balance where you can see each and every ledger that you have created in your company, and the balance is debit side is equals to your credit side. Is this clear? Now for auto column, just press here Alt N and you can select here your column details like daily column, your fortnightly, half yearly, monthly, quarterly, stock valuation methods, weekly or yearly. I'm selecting here weekly and selecting here 10 selecting here yes to show total columns. So I'm seeing here my total columns over here. And if you want to print this, simply go to print, Control P by pressing Control P. Select here, I'm showing here your preview and here your trial balance is ready. You need not to do anything in spite, you just need to give the print command and you are able to show the trial balance report. Is this clear? Now the next we have is our profit and loss account that shows our company is bearing profit or is under loss. So now again you can change the period by pressing Alt F2. Select here the period in which you are doing the entries. Press your Alt F1 and here you can see again your opening stock. First of all, your trading account is there. Trading account means all the entries related to your trading account is shown till gross profit. That is trading means related to your sales and purchase. Opening stock is there. Sales is there. Your direct incomes are there. Purchase account, purchase returns will be shown over here, and the closing stock is also there. So after posting each and every entry related to your trading account, your gross profit is calculated as 4,52,244 rupees and 60 paisa. So this is about the trading. The half portion is for trading, and the next when we brought forward our gross profit over here, now here comes your the entries, the transactions related to your profit and loss account. So P&L account shows us indirect expenses. Here, if there is any indirect income, it will show on this side, and the net profit is generated as 2,62,244 rupees 60 paisa. So is this clear? Here is our report. Now, after viewing the profit and loss account, trading and P&L account, you can give the printout as you had done in the case of trial balance. Press Control P over here. I'm showing you the print preview and you can see your trial balance is ready to furnish. Is this clear to you? Easy. Now, the next one we have is our balance sheet, the main financial statement that every company requires time to time. So first of all, select the period. I'm selecting here the whole financial period. Select here Alt F1. See, this is the report. This is showing you the balance sheet in the old format that we were doing in the earlier years. But now that is capital account, loan, current liabilities, P&L account, current assets. But now, as per government norms, you have to furnish your balance sheet in Schedule 6, in the Schedule 6 format. So for that, go to change view and here you can select vertical. So this is about, here you can configure as well. You can click here yes for showing percentage. You can exclude accounts with zero closing balances. You can see here the format of report, that is detailed or condensed you want, vertical balance sheet you want or not. Now method of showing balance sheet, application or source or application. Now you want the name or alias as well. Now here you have to see show base currency. Yes, I'm clicking here. Yes, now you can see the base currency as well. So here you can see the vertical columns over here. This is the way where you have to check your reports and you have to submit your report to whom? To the government officers for the assessment. So this is the Schedule 6 format where you have shown sources of funds and application of funds. Under sources of funds, you can see your capital account, loan, current liabilities, P&L, and so on. And under your application of funds, you can see over here your current assets, your other fixed assets, and as well. So if there is any loss, it will also show over there. And here it is presenting in the form of Schedule 6. If you want to change the view, again go to Control H, go to horizontal, and here it will comes under the old presentation that we were submitting in earlier years. But now we have to submit in the vertical way, that is according to Schedule 6. So this is the way where you have to submit. Press Control P. I am clicking here for the preview and you can see your balance sheet in the Schedule 6 format. Is this clear? So this is about how you can view your balance sheet. You can analyze it, you can print it, and you can submit or furnish it to the government and to your senior officers as well. Thank you.